Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an exclusive tutorial on setting up a premium UDP server using the ZIVPN app, super fast and easy. If you're new here, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Let's get started. 1. First, open any browser and search for UDP Custom. 2. Click the official link, usually udpcustom.online. 3. Tap the hamburger menu in the top corner. 4. Scroll down and select Premium UDP, then choose ZIVPN UDP Server. 5. Fill in your username, add an SNI if needed, and complete the reCAPTCHA. 6. Hit Create Account and wait a few seconds. 7. Boom! Your server is ready. Copy the IP, port, and password. We'll need these later. 8. Now head to the Play Store, search for ZIVPN, and install it. 9. Open ZIVPN and go to the home screen. 10. Check the UDP checkbox above the Start button. 11. Tap the server location dropdown and pick your preferred one. 12. Click the hamburger menu, select UDP tunnel settings. 13. Paste the IP, port, and password you copied earlier. 14. Hit apply to save. 15. Go back to the main screen and tap start to connect. 16. Wait for the connection success message. You're now on a blazing fast UDP server. 17. Want to check speed? Try speedtest.net. You'll see the difference. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you, drop a like, subscribe for more tech hacks, and share with friends. Got questions? Comment below. I'll reply ASAP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.